Have you ever gazed at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? In those moments of awe, we glimpse something vast and mysterious. This feeling connects us to something beyond ourselves. This is the touch of the divine. This divine presence is not distant or separate from us. It resides within each of us, a spark of infinite potential. This spark is the essence of our being. It is the source of our creativity, our compassion, and our deepest desires. It is a wellspring of love and wisdom that we can tap into at any time. As we journey through life, we may forget this inner truth. We may search for God in temples, churches, or far-off lands, but the truth is, the divine is always with us, waiting to be discovered within. Our bodies are temples. They house the divine spark within. By turning our attention inward, we embark on a journey of self-discovery. This journey leads us to the heart of our being, where God resides. It is a journey of awakening to our true nature as spiritual beings having a human experience. Throughout history, cultures around the world have sought to understand the divine. From ancient civilizations to modern societies, the concept of God has taken on many forms. In Hinduism, the divine is seen as a vast, interconnected web of energy known as Brahman. Buddhism speaks of enlightenment, a state of being where one transcends suffering and realizes their true nature. Christianity reveres a loving God who created the universe and offers salvation through faith. Indigenous cultures often view the divine as inseparable from nature, honoring the spirits of the earth, sky, and animals. These diverse beliefs, though different in their expressions, share a common thread. They all point to a reality that transcends our everyday experience. They remind us that we are part of something larger than ourselves. Throughout history, mystical traditions have emerged, offering insights into the nature of the divine. These esoteric teachings, often veiled in symbolism and allegory, hold profound truths about our spiritual essence. Kabbalah, with its ancient roots in Jewish mysticism, describes the universe as a series of emanations from the divine source. Sufism, the mystical branch of Islam, emphasizes the importance of love, devotion, and direct experience of the divine. Gnosticism, a tradition that flourished in the early centuries of Christianity, taught that salvation comes through gnosis, or direct knowledge of the divine. These esoteric traditions, despite their differences, converge on a central point. They assert that true knowledge of God is not found solely through external doctrines or rituals. Rather, it is attained through inner exploration and direct experience of the divine within. Within each of us lies a sacred space, an inner sanctuary where we can connect with the divine. This space is not bound by time or space. It is accessible through the portal of our own awareness. Meditation is the key that unlocks this inner door. By quieting the mind and turning our attention inward, we can access this realm of stillness and peace. In this sacred space, we can commune with our higher selves, tap into our intuition, and receive guidance from the divine. It is a place where we can find solace from the outer world and connect with the source of our being. As we deepen our meditation practice, we begin to experience a profound shift in our awareness. We start to see beyond the illusions of the material world and perceive the interconnectedness of all things. Section 5. Breath and Awareness. The breath is a powerful tool for connecting with the divine within. It is the bridge between our physical and spiritual selves. With each inhale, we draw in life force energy, known as prana in yogic traditions. With each exhale, we release tension and negativity. By focusing on the breath, we can calm the mind, soothe the body, and enter a state of deep relaxation. Try this simple breathing exercise. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and turn your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale. As you inhale, imagine you are drawing in divine light and love. As you exhale, release any stress or negativity. Continue this practice for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing yourself to fully relax and let go. Section 6. A universal symphony. We are all interconnected. Just as a symphony is comprised of individual instruments playing in harmony, so too is the universe made up of countless beings, each playing their unique part. The divine energy that flows through us all connects us like threads in a cosmic tapestry. When we recognize this interconnectedness, we begin to see the world through the lens of compassion and love. We realize that we are not isolated individuals, but rather integral parts of a greater whole. This understanding fosters a sense of unity and belonging. It dissolves the illusion of separation and reveals the truth of our oneness. As we open to this realization, we become channels of divine love and compassion, radiating these qualities out into the world. Section 7. Recognizing the divine light. The divine spark within each of us is like a light that shines brightly. Sometimes life's challenges can dim this light. Doubt, fear, and negativity can cloud our perception, making us forget our true nature. But the light is always there, waiting to be rekindled. By cultivating self-awareness, practicing gratitude, and engaging in acts of kindness, we can fan the flames of our inner light. As we do so, we begin to see the divine reflected in the world around us. We notice the beauty in nature, the kindness of strangers, and the synchronicities that guide our path. We realize that we are surrounded by reminders of the divine presence, if only we open our hearts and minds to see them. Section 8. Embracing oneness. The journey to God is not a journey of separation, but of union. It is a process of shedding the layers of ego and illusion that prevent us from recognizing our true nature. As we awaken to the divine within, we begin to see the divine in everyone and everything. We recognize that the same spark of consciousness that animates us also animates all beings. This realization dissolves the barriers of separation and opens our hearts to unconditional love and acceptance. We begin to experience the world as a reflection of ourselves, a mirror that reflects back to us the love and compassion that we cultivate within. In this state of oneness, we transcend the limitations of the ego and embrace the boundless love and wisdom of the divine. Section 9. Your journey awaits. The journey to God is a deeply personal and transformative one. It is a journey of self-discovery, healing, and awakening. There is no right or wrong way to embark on this journey. The path unfolds organically, guided by intuition, synchronicity, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. Trust in the process. Embrace the journey with an open heart and a curious mind. The divine awaits your arrival, not in some distant realm, but in the depths of your own being. As you journey inward, remember that you are not alone. The divine presence is always with you, guiding, supporting, and loving you every step of the way. May your journey be filled with love, light, and the boundless grace of the divine.